Protect your teeth from grinding, clenching, clacking, and gnawing with Impact Night Guard. Say goodnight to jaw pain, headaches, and self-inflicted tooth damage. Get a dentist-quality night guard handcrafted by highly trained dental professionals. We are a direct-to-consumer dental lab, so you can get a custom night guard at a fraction of the price. Getting one is easy. We'll send you our super simple fit kit. You'll take your own impression right at home. Send it back and you're on your way to the best protection for your teeth. Talk about making a positive impact. Protect your teeth from the nightly grind. Select your perfect fitting night guard today. ImpactNightGuards.com.